Welcome to Rediscovery, where the wonders of space and science ignite. 50 years after Apollo, we're heading back to the moon, but this time it's bigger, bolder, and the gateway to Mars. The Artemis mission is rewriting history. Remember Neil Armstrong's first steps? Buzz Aldrin's lunar golf swing? We're about to witness a whole new era of lunar exploration, one that could ultimately lead us to set foot on Mars. Fasten your seatbelts, space fans, because things are about to get cosmic. Before we send humans back to the moon, we need to make sure our technology is up to snuff. That's where Artemis 1 comes in. This uncrewed mission, which launched in 2022, was the maiden voyage of the mighty Space Launch System rocket, the most powerful rocket ever built. This beast is designed to carry us not just to the moon but potentially all the way to Mars and beyond. Artemis 1 was also our first chance to really put the Orion spacecraft through its paces. During its 25-day mission, the Orion capsule traveled over 1.4 million miles, orbiting the moon and collecting vital data along the way. The real nail-biter came at the end of the mission, when Orion re-entered Earth's atmosphere at a scorching 25,000 miles per hour. The heat shield held strong and Orion splashed down safely in the Pacific Ocean. With the Orion capsule and the SLS rocket proven and ready to go, it's time to start thinking about putting boots back on the moon. Get ready for Artemis 2, because this is where things start to get really exciting. This mission, slated for 2024, will be the first crewed mission to the moon since the Apollo era. 4 lucky astronauts will strap themselves into the Orion capsule for this 10-day mission, embarking on a daring loop around the moon. But Artemis 2 is more than just a repeat of past glories. The mission will test Orion's life support systems with a human crew on board, ensuring that it can keep astronauts alive and healthy for extended periods in deep space. The astronauts will also conduct vital research and experiments, studying the effects of long-duration space travel on the human body and collecting valuable data about the lunar environment. With Artemis 2, we're not just returning to the moon, we're taking a giant leap towards making it a regular destination for human exploration. Chapter 3. Artemis 3. Touching down on the lunar South Pole. Get ready for a truly historic moment, because Artemis 3 is going to make history. This mission, scheduled for no later than 2025, will be the first crewed landing on the moon since Apollo 17 in 1972. And this time, we're not just planting a flag and coming home. Artemis 3 will mark the beginning of a sustained human presence on the lunar surface. The mission will target the moon's south polar region, a location never before visited by humans. Scientists believe that the permanently shadowed craters at the moon's south pole could contain vast reserves of water ice. This ice could be extracted and converted into rocket fuel, oxygen, and even drinking water. The Artemis 3 crew will be tasked with confirming the presence of this water ice and beginning to assess its potential for future use. This mission will be a major step forward in our understanding of the moon and its potential as a base for further exploration. Chapter 4. Beyond Artemis 3. Building a future among the stars. Artemis isn't just about going back to the moon, it's about building a future among the stars. One of the key elements of this vision is the Lunar Gateway, a space station that will orbit the moon and serve as a base camp for future missions. The Gateway will provide a platform for scientific research, technology demonstrations, and even commercial activities. NASA and its international partners are also planning to build sustainable habitats on the lunar surface. These habitats will allow astronauts to live and work on the moon for months or even years at a time, conducting long-term research and developing the technologies we'll need for even more ambitious missions, like a crewed mission to Mars. By establishing a permanent presence on the moon, we can learn how to live and work in deep space, develop new technologies, and inspire future generations to reach for the stars. So, what excites you most about Artemis? Is it the prospect of seeing humans walk on the moon again? The potential for scientific discoveries? Or the dream of one day reaching Mars and beyond? The Artemis mission is rewriting what's possible for humanity. It's not just about going to the moon. It's about creating a future among the stars. The Artemis generation will be the ones to unlock the universe's mysteries. So, what excites you most about Artemis? Share your thoughts below and hit subscribe for more cosmic journeys. Thanks for watching Rediscovery, where every journey uncovers breathtaking wonders.